Good morning, everybody. Crypto Strang here. This morning, I'm going to talk about Polkadot and the staking available out there. Obviously, at the moment, in a bear market, you can just see on the top of CoinMarketCap, at the moment, just over 908 billion. So, obviously, you know, it's quite shocking we went below trillion market cap. You expect that in this sort of bear market scenario, plus also what's going on in the world at the moment. Talk about recession, etc. It's not just crypto that's dropped, despite what the press say, the crypto crash is not. It's all the things, commodity, stock, shares, etc. as we spoke about before. Last 24 hours, a slight recovery. You can see on the screen Polkadot. Spoke about this project obviously many times in the past. It's up 9%. We're back up to $8.19. It's ranked number 11. Market cap at the moment is just over 8 billion. Still believe in Polkadot long term. It's one of my top 10 holdings. It's been for a long time. I think the project got massive potential. Now, we've covered many different aspects of Polkadot so many times, so I won't go over that again. It's just literally about the staking. Why you're in this sort of bear market. It's nice passive income when you can stake your Polkadot. Now, the first site to actually always go to for any kind of staking is stakingrewards.com. When you put in any project in the search, and it brings up where you can stake it. So obviously it gives you a lot of sort of ideas of what best place to go. But you can see there, you delegate your Polkadot, etc. You can do your stake in there, and it goes through all the different parts where you can stake your Polkadot. Now, me personally, for slightly less APR, I prefer just to use one of the exchanges. Now, on Binance, I've showed this many times before, very easy. You just basically go Binance, go across to earn, Binance earn. Make it very simple, very straightforward. So you basically, when that fires up, you've got your different aspects what you want to do. So you can scroll down there, and DOT is one of the top ones on there, locked staking. You can see the APY is absolutely fantastic. So what you want to do is just hit there, stake. Also, I'm already staking Polkadot on here. So this now gives me, you can see all the others. You can see there's many others on the screen you can do. Just talk about Polkadot here. So you can lock it in 15 days. So if I lock it in for 15 days, the APY is actually 36%. Okay, so at the moment, I've still got 19 DOT left on here. So I'm going to basically put that on there. You can just do 10. It will give me 0.15 DOT in return. Now, 30 days, it's just APY is 12%. Okay, now 60 days, 13.34%. 90 days is sold out. As about 120 days isn't, and that APY is 20.18. So by doing that, I'll get 0.66 DOT for free. So depends what you're doing in the bear market, what your plans are. Are you waiting for the next bull run? Are you taking profits now? Or you hope you've already done that, although people are still obviously withdrawing funds. So me personally, because I believe in Polkadot long term, I'm just going to do the max. Okay, I'm just going to do 120 days. Quite often this is sold out like the 90 days. So you can see there, auto staking basically allows it constantly to automatically stake a product that expired. So basically my Polkadot will keep auto staking when these 120 days are done. Okay, so that's the easy way of doing it. I'm not going to do it just this time. Also, go and read the Binance staking service agreement. So you can see there, APY is 20.18%. So you just hit confirm, subscription success, okay? So I've got my all my Polkadot now being staked, so you can see there. But instead, expand all 109 locked staking products. So go through all your favourite ones, AVAX, Avalanche, another great one. You can see all the different ones. Now, GNMR, again, project talked about many times, 74%, okay? There's many here with great percentage returns. Even Cake is back up to 79.87%, and so on. You go through all the different ones. Even Elron there, 23.59. AXS, now we spoke about a fantastic year with 10 cents, $160. At the moment, 120%. Okay, so there's a lot on here. It's entirely up to you what you want to do it. But also, briefly mentioned this before, we covered Bitpanda. They've just finally got into staking as well. So I like the dashboard, covered it before. With Bitpanda, it's not just cryptos, it's stock shares, commodities, the lot. Okay, you can get anything on here. Now, when you're on their dashboard, you can see the top movers. Now, even though we're in obviously bear market, a lot of doom and gloom, isn't there, at the moment? We've been through these many times before. You can see there, the top movers in the last day, reserve rights. We've talked about that project many times, up 31% today. Compound, up 29% today. And Zilliqa, another one we've spoken about often, at the moment, just over 3.5p here in the UK. That's up nearly 28%, okay? So when you go on the staking made better. Weekly rewards, fully flexible, and basically just start staking there. You can see there now the percentages are not fantastic, let's be totally honest. Polkadot there, you can see 11.35. So obviously that's hence why I'm doing it on Binance, because it's better reward. Polygon matches is good at 12%. You can see their Kusama though, good at 13.51%. So they do offer some great percentages, but I am finding Binance better. So obviously I'm going to put my Polkadot on there. Okay, but the Cardano is only 3.55%. Okay, so again, when you're in a bear market, you've got these backup plans, and to me, staking is an excellent way to earn that passive income while in this sort of market. Who knows how long this bear market will take? I think what's going on in the world, talk about worldwide recession, etc. I don't know when the next bull market will be. You know, people say it will, be the next Bitcoin halving. Well, I'm hoping it'll be a lot sooner before that. And there's obviously many different parts to crypto. It's not just about Bitcoin and the DeFi. It's all about the gaming tokens, etc., etc. We talk about all the time. So this is basically a quick overview of how to stake. Staking is an excellent way to earn free crypto. We've obviously covered many other exchanges as well. Me personally, I think the Binance one is fantastic, easy, like many others. We showed a Sendex the other day. We've done the OMI staking. How easy was that? They make it so easy for people just get into crypto. A few clicks your button and you're staking. It's fantastic. So let's see how the market develops, how we get going this year. There's a lot of projects to keep an eye on at the moment. I need to update videos very soon. I will definitely do that. But keep positive. I know there's a lot of doom and gloom out there, but long-term crypto is still absolutely fantastic. And the next bull run, I'm sure, will be better than this one. So stay positive. Anyone who helps you, just email me, info@cryptostrain.com, or my social media links below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Help any way I can. Thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. Cheers now. Bye.